doing a quick review of the Wandrd 9-liter Sling Rogue camera bag. Here's a quick unboxing. This is the Rogue Sling 9-liter from Wandrd, and I know this is available in a couple of really nice bright colors. I decided to get this in black because black just goes with all my gear. This got delivered today. Looks really nice. This is replacing my older Ulanzi 6-liter backpack, which was just not adequate to hold my mirrorless gear because of the size of the lens. Let's take a quick look at this. What does this have to offer? Side compartments. This is this whole laptop situation where you can just jam in your laptop and hook this in. I mean, I think it should be fine for maybe a tablet. I can probably try to jam a tablet later today and show it to you guys. So let's see if this laptop compartment would take an iPad. This is my iPad mini, with the pen. No problem at all. This slides in very comfortable, and you can see there's more space even with this kind of case in there. This would open, this would close very comfortably. Let's try with a bigger iPad. This is my iPad Pro. 11-inch iPad Pro. Let me try to jam that in. Mind you, I'm trying to fit this in without having to extend the zipper from the bottom or use these hooks here, and it seems like it would just about fit. It just about fits, but I don't think it's ideal because this case also has this pen. This is a thicker case, and that's why it probably doesn't fit. So I would still say it would fit with a light case, but with this case, I think I don't know, not sure. It does fit, but only just. The next thing I want to try out is to see how this takes my camera. It looks like a lot of space in there. Let me see how. That's a good amount of space in there. And the padding is far. It's really nice. This is soft padding in there and feels really robust. Grab my camera and jam it in there. Yeah, it fits perfectly. That's the my camera is an A7 IV with the G Master lens. This 70-200 for reference. This is a bigger lens, so obviously for reference. I also have a small rig cage in there, so it's a big setup, and it fits fine. In fact, I think there is still space for a lens in there. If I can jam in, let's say, a separator, I think I should be able to jam in another lens over here, maybe a prime lens. Quite good. I'm quite happy with this purchase. Fits really well. I don't think it would fit my compact tripod. I don't think it's gonna fit this here. Maybe I could. Not really. I don't think it'll fit. For the review, overall this looks really well made. The padding on the back is really nice. It feels very substantial. This is hard bound inside. Feels again very well put together. There's enough padding, there's enough support to keep my gear safe in there, and you can see that even with this divider, there's enough space for a lens in there. And if I just keep my camera again in there, yeah, it goes in sideways very comfortably. It may not go with the lens, but of course I don't expect it to. Overall, fits well. The only thing that I don't like about this bag, I would say, is the fact that it should have had like a double zipper. So it only has one. There's nothing on this side. But yeah, this fits. Looks great. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, drop a comment.